Made in the USA. Why is this side like this? Nothing's gonna come out from that side.
ShiKai. Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I'm excited, okay? Because this is another month of the Daily Goodie Box. Yes, that is right. The Daily Goodie Box is here with another month, okay? This is the month of February's Daily Goodie Box unboxing. And if you guys are not familiar with this, okay, with Daily Goodie Box, everything inside of here, okay? You'll get full size, you'll get sample products, and they are all 100% free. Now, you can sign up on their website, dailygoodiebox.com. But the easiest way, okay, that I found to get a box is through their Facebook page, okay? So make sure that you like their Facebook, and then you're also very active on their posts, because that is where they give away the most boxes. Yes, the most boxes completely free. There is free shipping, okay? Free shipping and handling. You don't have to worry about that. Everything here is 100% free. Don't let anybody tell you anything differently, okay? So yeah, more information will be across the screen, as well as pinned in the comments down below in the description, and everything that is inside of this beautiful free box is going to be there as well, so that you guys can check out those companies and see what items they have, okay, and get to shopping. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So this first item here is from 2x4. This is a Liposomal. Okay, this is a vitamin C, and this has 1,000 milligrams. And how you're supposed to ingest this is take a teaspoon, and you can put this in your juice, or you can put this in your water daily, and just make sure that your doctor recommends for you to take this. And this is a product that once you open it, make sure that you guys refrigerate it. And I'm actually curious to see how this works. It smells exactly like orange juice. It smells just like Tropicana. Probably should have put it in some orange juice, but I'm gonna put it in my water. All right, let's mix this bad boy up and see what it tastes like. Honestly, you can't really taste it that much. It has like a sweet taste to it when you drink it, but it's not that strong. It's not as strong as I thought it would be. Me personally, I would just mix this one with orange juice, just because it tastes so much like it that, I mean, you wouldn't even notice it. You would just be doing something healthy for your body without even realizing it. So this next one here is something for me to eat, baby. This is from a Pretzel Peep. I love that name. I think I've unboxed a Pretzel Peep before, but not this product. But Pretzel Peep has some mini twist pretzels. These are made with whole wheat flour, and they are lightly salted. There you go. Cute. That cute little pretzel. Good and fresh. And it's made in the USA. Made in the USA. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I'm in an even better mood now. No. Okay. Daily Goodie Box. Did you all know that I'm a huge fan of sunflower seeds? Did you know that I'm going to eat this entire container of sunflower seeds? Yes, I am. So Interstate B8 has sent over the big game brisket sunflower seeds. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that container. I've never seen sunflower seeds like this before. Have you? I'm used to seeing them like in a little plastic bag, and I think I may have found my new way to try them. Wait, I do have a question though. Why is this side like this? Nothing's gonna come out from that side. Interstate B8, explain that please. Now this side makes sense. Okay, I got my sunflower seeds. I love sunflower seeds. Let's see. Nice and salty on the outside. I always like that little loud noise. They're good. I mean, they're sunflowers. There's only one. There's only one way to eat a sunflower, and that's to just crack it open, and it's good. Good job. Now, the only issue that I do have with this is that when it said Big Game Brisket, I thought it was supposed to taste like a brisket, a smoked brisket or something. I'm not getting that. I'm just getting an original taste of sunflower seeds. So, yeah. But if that's what you guys love, that's what you're going to get with brisket. A very good taste. Now, this next one here are sugar-free. And this is from the company No Brainer. I like that. So No Brainer has the Marshmallow. Okay, the Marshmallow. Okay. So instead of saying marshmallow, you're going to say Marshmallow. It is max taste with zero guilt, okay? And these marshmallows are in the flavor burnt caramel. Even he knows it. He said, He already know that I am about to get in this bag because I love marshmallows. Ooh, and then I can put these in some hot chocolate. If I can get in the bag. And I can put these in some hot chocolate. Yeah. Oh, that smells so good. Yeah, you can smell the caramel. But yeah, there's my marshmallow. And they're like very soft and spongy. I mean, aren't all marshmallows soft and spongy? But yeah, there it is. So good. You can roast them. I roasted it. Yeah, just roasted it. I just roasted it over that candle, and it was good. You all are spoiling the heck out of me today. I'm getting all the goodies, baby. So this one here is Zoli Gummies. Okay, these are clean teeth candy. They said the after you eat treat for a healthy smile. So cool. Let's see. Can you see that clearly? There we go. That smells so familiar. So familiar, I just can't pinpoint it. Smells good though. Okay, these have like some type of powdery substance on them, but they all have like different. Okay, I can't eat that one. But they all have different colors on the inside. The one I had before was green, but this one here is orange, and I'm gonna hold on to it so I don't drop it. Lipstick on my finger. It is so good. The candy that is on the inside, oh my God, it makes you feel like you're eating something that is bad for you, but it's actually good for you because of course it protects your teeth. But good. I like it. Okay, so the next one here is from Brami. I don't know. Is that a peanut? Wait, it's a Lupini Beans. So these are Italian snacking Lupini Beans. I'm laughing because look at him. That's so cute. That little thingy, that little Lupini bean. So I've never heard of those kind of beans before, but they say that these are marinated with sea salt and vinegar. So let's get into this bag. I don't like the way those look. I don't know if I even want to try it, but I'm going to anyway, guys, because you know I gotta try it. Oh. Okay, look. That is Okay. But there it is. And I'm going to try it. I love the packaging. I love the cute little thing that's up there at the top. But I am not a fan of beans that much that I want to eat them as a snack. So for me, the Italian snacking lupinis are a no. No, not for me. Comment down below if you guys like those kind of beans, and yeah, comment down below about that. So this next one here comes from Real Chemistry, and they have the Rescue Daily Serum. And I want to see what it smells like. I'm so curious. Oops, I think I waste some. That's okay. Oh, it is so soft. Oh, it smells so good. It smells just like that face mask. So, once again, I'm at the end of the box. And when that happens, it is the saddest moment ever, because I love unboxing Daily Goodie Boxes because it's always new things that I hadn't tried before. So this one here is a CBD, okay? This is an everyday formula, and it is a unscented body lotion. You can never have too much lotion, especially if you stay dry like me, especially during this winter, this harsh winter. My hands are so dry. They're so dry. I know it's non-scented, but I still like to smell it, and I like it. I like it. If you guys enjoyed this video and you're interested in checking out the products that you saw here today, you guys can find those in my description box as well as pinned in the comments. And of course, you're going to head over to dailygoodiebox.com to get signed up. And also, you're going to head on over to their Facebook page, right? Hit that like button on their Facebook and become very active on their social media posts in order for you to have a chance at getting one of their daily goodie boxes. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in March with another video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.